Facebook ad on Reels is one of the easiest ways to actually make money off the Facebook platform. Why? Because it has fewer requirements, and then it doesn't require you to even do much work as compared to the other monetization options available on Facebook. But then there are three things you need to do that are very important if you want to actually get monetized on Facebook ad on Reels and start making money like the one you are seeing right here. So with this already said, without taking much of your time, hello guys, if this is your first time here, kindly smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section at the very end of this video. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you three important things you need to do if you actually want to get monetized by Facebook through ads on Reels. The ad on Reels really pays, even pays at times more than the normal in-stream ads on your main videos. But then that doesn't mean it's better than they are both good. But then for this particular video, we are going to focus more on how you can actually get Facebook to monetize the Reels you post on their platform just by implementing three simple techniques. So with this already said, without taking much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. The first requirement to get monetized through Facebook ad on Reels is to make sure that your page is not flagged for any monetization option. Now, what I mean by page is not flagged is that a lot of you keep posting videos on Facebook despite having Facebook flagging your content that it's either your content goes against their community standard or you made a post that goes against their community standard. If you have any post or anything that violates the Facebook monetization policy, your chance of getting ad on Reels is automatically down by 70%. So if you think your page have any sort of Facebook violation, like you violated Facebook rules in any way, and then you see that your page have that yellow tag and not a green tag, then you need to first of all go and sort out that particular issue out. Else, I'm not sure you are going to get monetized through ad on Reels, because Facebook made it clear that they are only going to accept pages that haven't violated their rules, that currently don't have any violation on their pages if it comes to getting monetized through the ad on Reels. So despite the ad on Reels not having any specific requirement, Facebook made it so clear that without those ones, you're actually not going to be verified. Like personally myself, I also had a page that got rejected because the page was flagged through some content that I posted that goes against the community standard. So if you also have a Facebook page that goes against this community standard and you're wishing to get monetized through ad on Reels, I advise to go delete that off in order for you to be qualified for the ad on Reels monetization. Because without getting rid of that, you are never going to get qualified for Facebook ad on Reels as well. So now that is it about the first step I have for you here when it comes to making money through Facebook ad on Reels. Is simply taking your time and then looking at your whole page to make sure that you haven't violated any of their rules. Even if you've done it in the past and then you fix that violation, that there's no more violation on the page currently, then you have chance of getting monetized through the ad on Reels again. But if it's a situation whereby that particular problem is still on the page, then you need to get rid of it, or probably start creating a new page if it's a problem that you can't get rid of. So that is it about the point number one when it comes to monetizing your Facebook page through ad on Reels. Is simply make sure that your page is not flagged for any form of content violation. Now, the second tip to get monetized through Facebook ad on Reels is to make sure that you are posting Reels frequently. Now, when it comes to making money through Facebook ad on Reels, Facebook don't have any specific amount of views or any specific watch time you actually need to get monetized through the ad on Reels system. Unlike our YouTube or normal Facebook in-stream ad, where you have to get a certain hours of watch time or a certain minute of watch time in order to get monetized, ad on Reels is actually not like that. So ad on Reels is simply in a way whereby Facebook wants you to keep posting Reels until they see that your page is getting decent engagement on your Reels, like your Reels are getting decent views. Whenever you post Reels, you are getting some good amount of views over and over again, and then you are posting these Reels at least five or more every single week. It must not be 5 or more, at least 3 and above every single week. You are doing it consistently, not that you post today and you disappear tomorrow, and then they are getting decent engagement. Then Facebook can actually consider monetizing your page. Now, when it comes to getting monetized through Facebook ad on Reels, the thing is that you don't have to be a content creator to actually get monetized through here. Like, you don't have to be sitting in front of camera like I do to get monetized through ad on Reels. Because ad on Reels, you can actually learn from my previous video, which should be showing on your screen right now. In that video, I actually show you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually go get content on TikTok and then bring them over to YouTube or Facebook and then do some little working on it and then actually get monetized. So you can go watch that video to learn how you can actually handle that. And then secondly, you can also start creating reaction videos. And I've made so many videos on this channel about how you can actually start making money with reaction videos, different kind of reaction videos. You can go check out this channel and you're going to see all of them, and different ways in which you can make money using other people's content as well. Now, I'll be tagging as much as possible under this video description for you to check out as well. Apart from that, If you are a good content creator, so you can also sit in front of camera and then see create like me, or better still, you can also use AIs to actually help you create the add-on. AIs can actually help you create those reels for you to post on your profiles as well in order to actually get monetized. Now that is about the second tip here when it comes to getting monetized through Facebook add-on reels. Simply post reels actively until Facebook let you know that what you've met up with the requirement, because they don't have any specific requirement written anywhere to actually go get monetized. They simply want you to keep posting reels until they see your progress, that okay, your progress is really worth paying you. Then they will consider inviting you to their monetization system. Now this is simply about the point number 1 and 2 when it comes to monetizing through Facebook add-on reels. Now if this is your first time on this channel, please do want to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell us if you're done in the comment section as well. Now moving on to the third point, which is very important when it comes to getting your add-on, because not following that point number 3 can actually get your full account blocked. Like, you might be denied for add-on reels for life if you are not careful with that very point. So let's get straight into the point number 3. The third thing to do to actually get monetized on Facebook add-on reels is simply do not click on the I am interested button available on Facebook. Now, a lot of us do fall into this particular temptation when we get started with our Facebook ads, trying to make money through the ad on reel system. But the truth is that that button can actually prevent you from actually getting monetized. Now, on this side of the screen right now, let me just give it a little bit of space. On this side right now, you should be seeing a phone screen actually illustrating to you what happens after I click on that button. I have a particular page whereby I went ahead and I click on that I'm interested button, and since then Facebook never cared about even inviting me, despite the huge performance of my reels, getting millions of views, millions of engagements actively. Facebook never invited that page. However, they ended up inviting a page that has less engagement, and funny enough, both of them are in the same niche, the same industry, but Facebook ended up inviting that. But over on that page, I did not click on it. Why? Because I've learned my lesson with the first page. That's why in this video I'm also advising you that make sure you don't click on that I am interested button whenever you are posting reels to get monetized. Just focus on posting your reels actively. Make sure that none of your reels violate Facebook community standard. Make sure that you go in line with their monetization requirements and everything. Don't just go against any of their rules in order to make sure that what your work doesn't go in vain. Like that my page. However, that my page is later on monetized through in-stream ad and not add-on reels. The add-on reels I never got the invitation, but the in-stream ads actually give me the invitation, so I'm making money through the in-stream ads on that particular page. Now that's simply the advice I have for you here. Also, when you are getting started or when you are posting your reels to get monetized, do not click on that I am interested button, because that button can prevent you from actually getting monetized by Facebook itself. Now those are simply the 3 things you need to put in mind whenever it comes to making money through add-on reels. Number 1, make sure that what your post does not go against their community guideline. You are not flagged by the system. Number 2 simply says post more reels, post active reels. You don't have to be a content creator to post actively. You can use other people's content strategically based on how I've shared different approaches with you on this particular channel. You can watch all those videos. I'll tag some of them and I won't be able to tag some of them because there's a limit to the videos I can actually tag down here. And then apart from that, the 5th point simply says that what, do not click on that I'm interested button, because if you click on that button, then it's between you and your God. You have to pray really hard to make sure that your work doesn't go in vain, like the way that my page can no longer get monetized through add-on reels. But now I only have to stick with in-stream ad, meaning my reels are more like a waste of energy based on the main purpose that I built the page for earlier on. So with this already said, without taking much of time, hope you find this video helpful and help me do the YouTube business. Smash that subscribe button, like this video, and get to share this video with your friends as well, because they might also need it. Maybe your friend is somewhere just planning to click on that I'm interested button, and this video could be the savior that they actually need to prevent them from clicking that button. So have a lovely day. Bye.